Hi guys, it's Jennifer. So I have a Foxy Fix unboxing today. This is my first Foxy Fix that I've purchased myself from the Foxy Fix website. I do have one that I bought from the buy sell trade page on Facebook that I showed I want to say maybe my last haul video or the one before that. And then I do have one that I won in a giveaway on Instagram, but this is the first one that I've ordered. I ordered this on April 4th, I want to say, and today is April 23rd, so I'm super excited that I got it pretty or relatively fast, because I have heard that it can take up quite a while. So I haven't even opened it myself. I'm gonna open it on camera and get my reaction on camera. So the first things in here are the business cards, and you get 2 of those, and then you do get a a leather sample, and I got the Foxy Fix Sugar Blueberry, which is actually really nice. Blue is my favorite color, so this feels really nice. I might have to look into this one, but I really love that. And then moving on, so you do get all of this little like spaghetti, or not spaghetti, but all these little pieces of paper that can sometimes be annoying in packaging, but it does come with the protective sheet. And what I got was the number 2 Lush Black Beauty. And let me see if I can zoom out. I'm too zoomed in here. I'll go ahead and remove the box. And so I did get it, the Black Beauty. I didn't get anything on my spine, and I just got the Fox and Pip bow embossed on it. I was thinking of getting it foiled, but I thought that it'd just be better if I got it embossed, because I wouldn't have to worry about you know, matching it. Particularly rose gold is my favorite, so I feel like I wouldn't be able to really decorate it with much gold if I wanted to, or, you know, silver or anything like that. So I guess to each their own. But I got this pretty simple. Like I said, it's the Black Beauty. I got black stitching on it and also black elastics, and I just think this will be perfect because I will be able to match it to any setup that I would want to have in this planner. I did get the compact, meaning that it only has 4 strings. I do not need a wide. I don't use that many inserts, to be honest. Since I do have my Erin Condren for bigger planning, usually my TN is more for like me to either back plan in my inserts, or, you know, have other things in there like financial stuff or monthly stuff, anything like that. So I did get the compact, which is fine by me. And then you do get the extra jump band in case you need it. So the Lush does have a pocket, as most of you guys might already know, just because the leather is very floppy on its own. It does come with these kind of pockets that are crisscross, just to, again, help with the sturdiness since it is a floppy leather. I did get secretarial pockets on both sides, and then I didn't get a pen loop. I don't really need one regardless. So that is that. And I thought I had kind of mixed feelings about it, just because of the floppiness, but it actually feels really, really nice, and I love the texture of the leather, and these strings seem to be all right. I've seen some unboxings where the straps or the strings are too tight on them, so it kind of you know, pulls on your planner, but these are pretty good, so I am super excited about that, and I can't wait to set her up. So that was all. This is just a very quick unboxing of my Foxy Fix Black Beauty number 2, which is a pocket sized. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.